Hey girl tribe, this is your girl Shelly. I'm doing a quick video on how I did my half wig with my headband. So if you're interested in this, let's get it started. Oh, but before we get started, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can join the tribe. And if you're already part of the tribe, hey girl. All right, so the wig that I'm using, the wig is called Stunna. And as you can see, I have my hair in two ponytails. Now, I'm all natural. My hair is very thick, but it's not the length that I feel comfortable slicking it all into one ponytail in the back like that. So I broke it up into two ponytails to kind of give my hair a little bit of relief from tension of pulling my hair back too tight into a ponytail. So the half wig Stunna, it has two combs in it at the top and in the back, and then my hair was gelled down with Eco Style Geller before I got started, and I used a scarf to set it like that. I'm going in with my edge control that I love. It's called Edge Effect. The links to the stuff that I'm using will be in the comments. So I use Edge Effect. I love Edge Effect. Like, I probably bought this Edge Effect probably about maybe like 4 times already. Like, every time I go to the hair store, that's the one I go and grab. So anyways, I am styling up my edges. Now, I like this wig because, I'm trying to do protective styles more. And with my protective styling, I'm just able to pull my hair back into a ponytail or, set it however I need to. And it's a protective style, and I'm able to throw a half wig on top of it. So anyways, I'm wearing a headband from my collection. It's called the Goddess Crown. It's available at www.heygirltribe.com. I'm also wearing my double up hoops, but the headband works well for this hairstyle because it hides the line of demarcation. So yes, the next hairstyle I'm going to show you is a half up, half down look. I'm just taking some pieces from the back of my hair, and I'm going to pin it up using a bobby pin. The earrings that I'm wearing in this are called Iceberg. Those are also available on my website as well. So I'm just pinning this up with a bobby pin. And this is just another fun hairstyle for you to do to spice up your half wig. Again, the wig is called Stunna. The links to it will be in the description. And the next hairstyle that I'm getting ready to do, I just wanted to show you guys what the back looked like. I am so thankful that my husband cleaned up my neck, because Lord have mercy, my hair be growing wild back there. But anyways, that's how it would look if you guys decided to wear your hair up in a ponytail. This next look, the headband I'm wearing is called Love, and my earrings are called Lovely. This one is called Queen, and my earrings are called New Moon. And I have one more to show you. Yes, this one is called Bedazzle, and I'm wearing the Glacier hoops. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right, y'all.